Tired of endless scrolling and deleting emails one by one? Can't we have a magic wand to delete all the unnecessary Gmail emails to delete them in bulk from our mobile phones? Well, we do have one. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Himanshu here. You're watching GetAssist, and in this video, we are tackling with the problem of how to delete a bunch of emails in a bulk from our iPhones and from our Android phones. Also, we are going to include a potential way of deleting all the emails at once by just one tap, one click. So let's get started. But before getting started, make sure you're subscribed to our channel and turn on the notification bell. So firstly, we'll go through the steps of selecting emails in a bulk and delete them at once. And then we'll move forward to the step where we'll be deleting all our emails at one click. So first of all, open up any of your web browser on your mobile phone and search for gmail.com. And you will land on the browser version of your Gmail account, and most probably you will be logged into it. If not, add up your credentials and get logged in, and you'll find the interface of your Gmail. Now what you need to do is just go to the three dots of your web browser and go for the desktop site viewing option if you're using an Android phone. But those who are using an iPhone, for this purpose, just go to your settings and then scroll down and go to the Safari browser. Scroll down again and now tap on Request Desktop Website. Turn it on for all websites. Now go back to the browser and you can see its desktop version. So go to the top left and you will find this checkbox. This checkbox is the key. You can go to your spam mails, trash mails, or even your draft mails section and then tap on this checkbox and see all of them got selected. From here you can delete all of them, and if you find some emails important, then you can uncheck them. Because going through them one by one and scrolling and selecting and scrolling selecting is way more time consuming than selecting all of them and then unchecking those who are actually important to you. When you tap on the checkbox, you have some categories too there, like all mails, read mails, starred mails, unstarred mails, which will filter the mails and help you in deleting them in bulk at once. So this is how you can delete all of your emails at just one click, or some filtered selected emails by this procedure. Hope you liked this video and found it useful, and if so, then give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment down your thoughts and topic for my next video, and I'll meet you in the next one. Just keep watching GetAssist.